Welcome to this tutorial on how to request a one-time payment. A one-time payment is a single lump sum payment made to an employee, including student employees. For example, a one-time payment could be made to an employee who served as a guest speaker, proctored an exam, served as a substitute professor, or facilitated a workshop. Student employees could receive a one-time payment for working at an event such as graduation or orientation.
First, log into eCampus at portal.adelphi.edu. We recommend using Google Chrome as your web browser. Click on the one-time payment icon. On this screen, you will be able to submit a new request, view pending approval requests that you will need to approve, if applicable, see the list of requests you have submitted, and see what previous payments have been made. To submit a new request, enter the name or Adelphi ID of the person you need to pay in the Submit a New Request section at the top of your screen. The list of optional matches will be displayed below. Click on the link under the username column of the correct person. You will now be taken to the New Payment Request screen. Here you want to confirm that they are authorized to work under Work Status. Then select the appropriate drop-down item for the department where the work was performed and object code. Type in the amount of the payment, the start and end date the work was performed, and an explanation of services that were performed. When you have completed and reviewed the screen, click Submit. This request will then be sent to the appropriate approver for review. You and the payee will receive an email that your request has been submitted, and the person who needs to approve your request will also receive an email. Please note that if you are requesting payment from a grant account, this request will need to be approved by both the manager and the budget department. Once you have made the request, you will be able to track its status in the Request Submitted by Me section of the home screen. If you are an approver, you will see the list of requests that you need to approve in the Pending Approval Request section of the home screen. Check either Approve or Deny in each entry and click Submit. If the request is denied, you will need to provide a reason the request was denied and click Submit. If approved, an email is sent to both the payee and the requester. The My Payments section is where the payee will see their payments and the status. If you have any questions about this process, please reach out to the appropriate person through our Contact Us page. Thanks for watching.